Ladies and gentlemen, Kim here. Welcome to the daily update. Hope you guys had a good trading today. Market is down about 1.6%. There on the S&P 1.3%, semiconductor 0.6%, Dow close to 2%, Russell 2000 transport, banks, energy, biotech, healthcare, home builders, utilities, retail, emerging market, every single sectors are red today. Bitcoin down, gold, silver miners are also dollar flat, oil down, treasury bond up. VIX popped about 5%. There, let's stick with S&P 500 ETF. Spider! 65 minutes are here. So this is what we closed on Friday. And looks like we actually gapped up slightly on that first hour. You can see we slightly gapped up. And then we were not able to advance above 399 right here. A little double top. And looks like once we lost this pivot right here, once that was lost, looks like all the stops were taken out. So all the longs who got in anywhere here in this vicinity, 399, 398, 387, 65, all those people putting their stop probably just underneath that level. And that's what the second hour plunge was all about. And once we got below that micro-term moving average, as you can see, continue to see that downturn. Everybody exiting, right? So we got to, for the first time since the 10th of January here, we're now retesting that mid-term moving average. Mid-term moving average do have pretty impressive resume here. As you can see, it served as pretty strong pivot, right? What acted as resistance in the past did act as support here and here, as you can see. And we're just right on that level, coinciding, right? Coinciding with the gap there. You can see that gap that was opened up right here. And that up gap has not been filled. So it's bull's best interest to keep this gap open, and because we also have the mid-term moving average in that vicinity, it will be better for the bulls to keep the gap open. And obviously, if you're a buyer here, you do need to reclaim not only the micro term but and the short term here. Bears probably gonna try to fill this gap to continue that momentum. And we have the midterm moving average in that. So 390 here in this vicinity is very, very important level for both bulls and bears. How this market behave in this area is gonna determine how this market is going to progress for the remainder of this week. Let's check out that oscillator. So after that oscillator bearish divergence, as I tweeted out this morning here, you can see clearly we got the higher high here on the price action, lower high on that. So what happened was that oscillator, right? When oscillator, we saw that cross. I talked about this on the last email or last analysis that I did over the weekend. I talked about that, how this is very, very important level. Bulls needed to not only see that cross, but they needed to see that continuation. So when we did see that little pop on that first hour, oscillator did get a little bit excited to the upside right here. However, with that second hour plunge, quickly it whips out back down. With that, the result was we have this bearish divergence formation, or the signal here. Once that happened, bulls were not able to keep this price from falling. So you can see how quickly the sentiment shifted, at least in the micro term, right? Sentiment seemingly looked like bullish in the last week or so, which is today, everything just got dismantled here, at least in the short term, micro term move, breaking below the micro term and the short term moving average right here. So that oscillator is not, as of today, is not overbought. We're entering into oversold zone. This is extreme oversold level, and this is an oversold zone, right? Oversold zone here, extreme oversold here. So we're kind of entering in that level of oversold, but we're not extreme oversold yet. It means bears are not really tired. If they choose to, they can push one more day to break below that midterm and to fill that up gap. However, in the past, bears fail to kind of find strength when that oscillator got to this level here. You can see since late December here. So every time when the oscillator got to this level, it looks like buyers were able to protect it. This level brought the price back on, and I'm not sure if that's how this market is going to play coming days, but it will be important how this market behaves in this vicinity. I'm gonna come back for you. We'll reassess the situation. Enjoy your evening of trading tomorrow.